Hey everyone, I am traveling and it made me think of a question that I see a lot, and I see a lot of bad information given, and that is, can you travel with a rotary or DA polisher in your carry-on bag on your flight? Why or why not? I'm going to show you right after this. The answer is really simple. It's no. And of course, people are going to ask, people give a lot of bad information and they actually say that yes, you can, there's not a big deal. Even if you Google it, one of the top results is from autopia.org. It's like almost a 15-year-old thread, and the suggested Google snippet says, you can, but you cannot. And I'm going to show you TSA's rules, but the general idea is it's considered a power tool by TSA standards, and power tools are not allowed in carry-on bags. Now, there's that same section in the TSA regulations says tools shorter than 7 inches when assembled can be brought in carry-on bag, but then it goes on to say, and obviously most 99.99% of polishers are going to be longer than 7 inches anyways, and then it goes on to say tools longer than 7 inches and all power tools must be placed in your checked bag. So you cannot bring it in your carry-on, you can check it. So that's, people ask for, fact check, where do you get that information from? That's the first point, is it's on the TSA website. And the second thing is, I tried to travel with a polisher some years ago and was stopped by TSA, and I actually missed my flight because I had to go back and then, check the bag that I'd initially tried to bring through security. So I have personal experience, you can't bring it, and also TSA says you can't bring it. So if you're traveling somewhere with a polisher, you're doing work like I was, somebody was flying me out to polish an Audi R8, I could not bring my polisher, and I missed my flight because I mistakenly believed that it was a harmless tool that I could put in my bag, but it's considered a power tool from TSA. So do not pack your polisher in your carry-on bag. You must check it.